So I want to show you a quote unquote simple SQL query and why it might not be that simple. So what I've seen or what I experienced is that when people are exposed to SQL and they start writing code in SQL, they focus primarily on the code and on the syntax. And that is extremely important because if you've ever written code in SQL or understand how it's structured, you understand like how nuanced it is. However, there are problems that could arise with the business outside of your code. So the business is trying to figure out their monthly revenue, right? So when you write your code, of course, you're going to write the code to filter by completed orders. You're going to group by that month, and you're going to add all that revenue up, right? So let's talk about when things can potentially go left with a quote unquote simple SQL query. What defines a month? Is it a 31-day window? Is it a 30-day window? Is it an actual month? Are you looking for trends? What are you looking for? What defines an order as completed? Is there any data that I do not need to consider? Any data or anything that I do not need to include in my analysis? You see how that simple query can potentially just skim right over things that are very important for a clear analysis. That's the difference between knowing SQL and knowing how to apply SQL in the real world. And that's why context matters.